Why do I need a trust? Can't I just give everything to my kids?
Sometimes when people come in to the ElderLaw Firm and are concerned about how to protect assets from Medicaid, they will ask, can I just leave everything directly to my kids? Can I just give everything to them now? And the concern on that is that I've seen so many horror stories happen when parents have given children property or bank accounts directly, thinking that they were protecting those assets for themselves for later on. You know, about half of all marriages end in divorce. And if you've given assets directly to a child, would you want those funds to be tied up in your child's divorce? Or, heaven forbid, what happens if your child dies? In that situation, your assets could pass to your son-in-law or daughter-in-law, or to grandchildren who perhaps may not take as good care of them as you intended your child to do. So in these situations, what if a child would have their own debts, or they have drug or alcohol problems? All of these issues are reasons that you should not transfer assets directly to a child, but instead accomplish your goals by setting up the proper type of trust to protect the assets for both yourself and your family. Many times I'll talk with families and explain to them the goal in protecting assets is to make sure that your children's problems don't bump into mom and dad's money. And that's why we often would prefer to use a trust rather than making direct gifts to a child.